Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the EA Javelin Anticheat Encountered an error. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you encounter this error while you're trying to play EA Sports, all you have to do is close the launcher and close the game. And then from here all you have to do is to go to your search bar and then search for PowerShell. Once you search for PowerShell, right click it and then click on Run as Administrator. Once you run it as administrator, it's going to show you this window, and so you're going to enter two codes that I'm going to have on the description. The first code is going to be this one, where you're going to create a new user, and then so you're going to create a new administrator password, and right here, just change it, and there you go. Once that is done, you can see your new user, and you can say administrator. And now that you have them done, all you have to do is to go to your game that is on your desktop. Once you close that, all you have to do is to go to your FC, and then from here hold shift, right click, and then from here, as you can see in the bottom, you will see an option that says run as a different user. So once you click that, you're going to add the username and the password that you set from the codes that I have given you in the description. Once you enter those and run the game, it should work just fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.